I'm not sure yet. I have to look at the screen a little longer. So it looks like there's 5 in the pan.
Yeah.
That's it.
But you'll do great, because I'm looking. Or I'm watching, actually.
Yeah. Enjoying yourself far too much, enjoying our suffering.
Yeah, I think it's going to be harder for me than for you.
Gives you
We'll
that
talk about
idea.
that after. Shane sends his apologies.
Yeah, I mean, we'll put him on the boot camp with John Callahan when he comes back.
Yeah.
That might be a few weeks.
Yeah, that's all right.
It just means I'm doing 1 minute 10 now instead of 30 seconds.
That's right. Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute pause for everybody today, because there's only 5 of us.
Well, thanks, Shano.
Yeah, we can blame Shane for something else.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I know something. I'm on the phone.
one of the most important things in Zwift is to have someone to blame. I think it's just a given, really.
Kind of like to cover up the hill on.
Let's turn the fans on then. Fans
I
on.
said how your legs recovered, Nigel, from the hill climb.
Well, yeah, I'm about to find out, Rhino.
You'll let us know in a few minutes.
Yeah, you'll know. You will, particularly because you're behind me when a gap opens between 3 and 4. Guess who's closing?
Don't let that happen. I'm going to be in a world of pain tonight, I feel.
Alright, so 20 seconds to go. It's over to you, Dan.
I'm ready.
Yeah, look at this. We've got clearance from air traffic control. We're all good to go.
Okay. Just hit it hard out of the pan. Okay, there we go. Everyone's here.
Yes.
Stephan's getting to the front. A little strung out. Okay, looks good now. Stephan, you want to go until 1 minute?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, Stephan. Ryan, hold on.
not your turn yet.
It's not yet.
I'm not even
30 more seconds to go.
I was at the back hanging on, and I'm at the front. So hang on. Look at Ryan. I can't even blame the new steering thing. I haven't done it.
Brian, in 10 seconds.
Brian must do his lifting in the dark.
5, 3, 2, 1. Brian's on. Justin's up next.
Your turn, Ryan.
Great job, Stephan.
Thank you, Dan. Nice hearing your voice this morning.
Yeah.
Totally unexpected.
Normally we have to rely on
first little
virtual
time.
Dan.
Everyone's looking great.
Very nice.
Getting a little stretched out. Brian was flying up the hill. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Justin's on. Nigel's up in 30 seconds. Okay, good pace line.
Just don't turn right by accident.
10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Nigel's on.
You think your pace line would be easy with 5, wouldn't you?
Yeah, it should be.
You're all over the place.
Good thing we are not 8 today.
Keep in mind, we have a bump on the end of the Volcano part.
What is it?
We have a bump on the end of the Volcano.
Ah, yeah.
Right here.
So just keep it together.
Sorry for this, Tyler.
10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Ryan's on.
Nice ball, Nigel. Thank you.
Okay.
Now you can enjoy the downhill. Okay, good pace line now. 10 seconds.
Okay, we're ramping up.
3, 2, 1. Stephan is on. So that was the first rotation. Everyone's looking great. Super, keep it up.
Sure.
Little gap 1 and 2.
Trying to pass this time, Stephan.
Okay, looks good now.
Sorry about that, Justin. I blame Shane.
We're in red arrows formation at the moment.
10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Ryan's on. A little gap between 2 and 3. Okay, gap's close. Keep tight on the dirt. 7 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Justin's on. Just don't pull away. Okay, great pace line. Seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Nigel's on. Step 2 and 3.
Closing.
Okay, everyone's here. Seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Ryan's on. Good job, everyone. Doing
Thanks,
great,
Dad.
looking great. Seems to be an easy one.
I wish.
I think my heart rate's 20 beats higher than everybody else. It's easy.
10 seconds.
We're wrapping up.
5, 3, 2, 1. Stephan is on.
Nice Ryan. Nice score.
Got some more dirt sections coming up.
But we're really excited about that, aren't we, Dan?
Yeah, I like it.
I know.
Means everybody raise the power a bit. Got a little gap 1 and 2.
Get in line, guys.
Okay.
3 seconds. 2, 1. Brian's on. Okay, that was the dirt. It's getting better now. 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Justin's on. Sorry, didn't get that.
you it.
Can't really hear you. Ten seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Nigel's on.
Thank you, Sthlm. Nice goal.
So did anyone want to do 30-second pulls?
Not yet.
Not yet, okay.
After the finish line.
That's a good idea.
One more lap.
See, everyone gets a thumb. Ten seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Ryan's on.
Thanks, Nigel.
Little bump coming up.
Stephan ramping.
10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Stephan is on, gapping. Just keep it easy for a moment.
There.
Okay, now go.
Okay.
Brian, not your turn yet.
Here's a new braking method. I'm more concerned about not getting off the back with 5.
I think I'm
That's
the
why I
new
said-
Jeff today.
10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Brian's on now.
I'll just stay on the front.
Okay, great. That was the first lap. That wasn't too bad, was it? Oh, I see you're looking great. You can do it. Just 2 more laps to go. 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Justin's on. A little uphill. 10 seconds.
Nigel,
Nigel on the downhill then.
I'll do 30 seconds.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Nigel's on. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. Ryan's on.
Thanks, Nigel.
Okay, good pace line. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Stephan ramping.
Stephan is on.
Yes, sir. My ticket to the tropics. I'll just Volcano. How long, Dan?
Yeah, get 1 and 2. Ten seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1.
It's your
Ryan's
time.
on.
Good turn, 7.
I noticed that your times are off a bit, up to 15 seconds, so I'll use Brian's time. Okay, try to keep the pace line. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. Justin's on.
Let's go, Brian.
Does anyone want to do 2-minute pulls? No? No volunteers?
No. Okay.
Okay.
Ask Nigel up.
Ten seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Nigel's on.
Thanks, Justin. Nice ball.
Just watch it on the dirt climb.
I hate this ball.
I feel pretty relaxed.
You want some cookies then?
You know what? You are all looking good, even on the
thank
dirt.
You. Can you elaborate on the
Yeah.
24-hour race of you? Is it on Swift or on
No,
on
it's
the road?
IRL. It's on the road.
Oh, nice.
It's 16 kilometer laps.
In Germany.
It's. I hope it's gonna be great.
Is it hilly or is it a flat course?
10 seconds. It's got 2 climbs following each other, so it's 3, 2, 1. Ryan's on. It's 170 meters of elevation on 16 kilometers.
Sounds
So
great.
quite a climb at the beginning, and then it's flat afterwards.
Wow. Starting at noon or?
Oh, it's starting at 2 p.m. and it's gonna be really hot on the weekend. So
Drink a lot of water.
somewhere between 90 and 100 Fahrenheit or like 35 Celsius.
Oh wow,
So it's gonna be interesting, but better than rain.
for sure.
Nigel's off the back. Let me go, guys. My legs haven't got it.
Sure.
Oh, you're still there.
Yeah.
You're still there. Hang on. 10 seconds.
Wait, no, get out of the auto.
It's quite wide still, yes.
And who's on? Sorry,
Stephan. Just took over.
my phone's ringing.
How's
Just hang on a second.
Nigel doing?
Hallo Peter. Du, na, gerade schlecht. Ich bin gerade online. Kann ich dich zurückrufen? Ja, wegen am Wochenende und wegen Wolfgang wollte ich noch was dran. Aber das ist nicht tragisch. Also, ja, das ist aber, glaube ich, wurscht. Ja, genau. Soll ich dich einfach anrufen oder bist du verplant?
We have a gap, 2 to 3.
Ja, ich sag dir Bescheid, wenn ich wieder erreicht habe.
Okay.
Das dauert jetzt wahrscheinlich noch eine halbe Stunde,
Are you back,
denke ich mal.
Justin?
Stephan, Justin, ease a bit
Alles
there.
klar. Bis dann. Ciao. I'm organizing for the weekend, so.
And we fell apart without you.
Little gap.
You fell
Right.
apart. So, Stephan's at the front.
Ryan is little gap.
Yeah, okay. 2 and 3, it's closing, okay.
3 or 26.
Ryan knows on. Okay.
Okay, Brian at the front for 1 minute. And gap 1 and 2, just ease back a bit.
Yeah.
Okay, gap's closing, can increase power.
Yes, we're back, Ryan.
Yeah.
Nigel skipping full, correct?
I'll do a pull after. Justin, I'll try.
10 seconds.
I'll just
10
keep going
seconds.
till I have to drop, really. But this.
5, 3, 2, 1. Justin's on.
Legs not really recovered, but I'll keep going as long as I can.
Thank you.
Yeah, want to skip this pull, Nigel, and stay on longer, maybe?
Yeah, okay.
Maybe start pulling at the end of the lap again, or
Okay,
for the final lap.
let's do that.
Okay, paceline is looking good. 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1.
Run up, please.
And Ryan's on.
Thanks, Justin. Great ball.
Okay, Justin, stay behind Brian for the moment, if you can.
Yep.
Nigel, can you catch up? Little gap 3 and 4. Okay, looking good. 10 seconds.
No, 30 seconds again. We already took over.
Ah, another 30 seconds?
Another 30 seconds, please.
Yeah, that's right. Sorry. So now it's 10 seconds.
Yes, sir.
5, 3, 2, 1. Brian's on.
Brian, you're alive. Rock and roll.
Justin.
10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Justin's on.
Thanks, Brian. Grateful as usual.
Ich muss es jetzt aber bringen, weil ich jetzt natürlich und eigentlich müsste ich jetzt einkaufen. Beziehungsweise vorher noch schnell einkaufen, weil die Großeltern nichts nehmen.
10 seconds.
Okay, nee, kannst jetzt gerade nicht.
5, 3, 2, 1. Ryan's on.
Thanks, Justin. It's raining. It's raining again. Sorry for this.
Ten seconds.
Hey for ramping.
5, 3, 2, 1. Stephan's on.
How are you feeling, Nigel?
I'll take a pull.
Okay.
Let's take it one by one, Dan.
Yeah, we'll make it 30 seconds. Okay, it's the final lap. Everyone's looking great. Even Nigel.
Thank you, Dan. I'll take that.
You're all looking great. Yeah.
I love
10
pain.
seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Brian's on. Nigel, you can relax on this uphill a bit.
It feels a bit like that.
Yeah. Just don't take the pull on the downhill. Ten seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Justin's up.
Thanks, Ryan.
Seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Nigel's on for 30.
Nice work. Nice work, Justin.
10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Ryan's on.
Good,
Thanks,
Davey.
Nigel.
Stay behind Justin, Nigel. Gap is a bit. There's a bit of a gap.
Hey,
Turn a bit. Thanks for
Okay.
ramping.
ready? So this
Yes, sir.
one.
Got it. Stephan on. Nice pull, Rhino.
Stephan for
1 minute.
1 minute. Okay.
Small gap, 1, 2.
Got it.
Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. Brian's on. You look fresh, Nigel. Are you up for another pull after Justin?
I'll do it 30. You're kidding me, man.
Okay. 10 seconds.
Oh, wait, no.
5, 3, 2, 1. Justin's on.
Thanks, you, Brian. Strong as ever.
You're doing great, guys. You're doing super.
Thanks, Nigel.
8K to go.
Almost there.
Right,
10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Nigel's on.
This is nice and safe report.
Yeah,
Finally.
it is.
I stood to respect for Nigel. Going up all the hills every time. Oh,
10 seconds.
I'll keep going, Dan.
Sorry?
I'll keep going.
3.
keep going,
2.
Nigel. Go back in full order after the climb.
Okay.
Are you there, Justin?
Nigel off in 5. Hey, Nigel off.
Brian's on.
Great work, Nigel. Thank you.
Yeah, super
Appreciate it.
cool.
I'll let you guys go from here.
Yes, sir. I don't think we get lost. We have Dawn on board.
Right, off we go. Two, 1, off.
Yes, sir. Got it. Thank you, Rhino. My turn, Brian. My turn.
Steve, can you go for a minute from now?
1 minute.
Okay. Oh, Brian's already eager.
Go, Brian. Take it.
I think it's safer when I'm on the back of it. Keep it on
Off
the
it,
way.
Dan.
Okay, 10 seconds on my clock now. Brian, just take it.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Brian.
Go, Stephan.
What is it, 5K to go?
Yeah,
Yep.
Yes,
just
sir.
over.
5.1.
Ah, okay.
5 it is now.
Okay, looking so great. Keep up, keep going.
Trying to.
But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today.
10 seconds.
Keep pushing, guys. Not far.
5, 3, 2, 1. Justin's on. The dirt part for the last
Thank you,
time.
Brian.
Ryan's up next. For how long?
Let's go 30, talking with another one.
What, 30?
Yeah.
30 it is.
Okay, okay.
Hold on, mate. Finish for 2 minutes.
No, 30 will be fine. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. Ryan's on for 30. Downhill
Nice
coming
work,
up.
Justin. Great work.
Great pull, Rhino. Fantastic power.
10 seconds.
Okay, for wrapping.
3, 2, 1. Stephan's on.
Yes, sir.
Gapping 1 and 2. Okay, looks good now.
You're looking strong, guys.
10 seconds.
Give me another 30.
Okay. Ten seconds for Brian. 5, 3, 2, 1. Brian's on.
Oh, great pull, Stephan.
That's one step back.
Awesome pull. Got the wheel.
Red's coming up.
Have a strong
And
finish,
then-
guys. Keep pushing. Up over that ramp. You can get over that ramp hard enough. I'm sure Dan will tell you how good
10
you look.
seconds. Oh yeah, you guys are looking great. Just push it. Now relax for 10 seconds. And Stephan is on, sorry. So now get up to the next turn and then push it really
Okay.
hard. Okay, there we go.
Keep going, guys.
Okay, start pushing now. I think 6 would be a great number.
500 meters.
Great pull, Brian. Great pull, Brian. Try to overtake Brian. Don't let him get away. Push it harder. You are looking great, guys. Come on, yeah. There you go. Push harder, go.
Nice finish. Great
Okay,
one,
now
Ryan.
it's Ryan. Stay with Ryan.
Oh,
Yay, super job. Congratulations.
I need to be here.
Nice job, guys.
Super, but why did you take such a long race with only 5 riders?